Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to get free Discord Nitro. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! So, what is Discord Nitro? So, Discord Nitro is the premium subscription tier for the most popular gaming chat service in the world. It comes with global to custom emojis from all channels you're part of, a custom Discord number tag, animated avatar, and server boost for your favorite communities. So, how to get? Can we get the Nitro free? Of course, you can follow the step by step in this video. So I've shown you on my previous video to collect orbs. So with the orb, you can buy free uh, Nitro. So you can go to quest in here, and in here you can accept all of the quests. You can launch quests and claim the rewards. To claim the rewards, after that you will get the orbs, and the orbs you can buy. With orb you can buy the Nitro. So you can go to the shop. You can select in here on your orbs, total balance, open the shop, and in here you can redeem your orbs with free Nitro for 1 day Nitro credit or 3 day. For 1 day Nitro credit, you can redeem 500 orbs, and for 3 days you can redeem like 1000, more than 1000 orbs on your Discord. You can choose and you can just claim. You can just redeem like this, and you can claim with orbs to get free 1 day. Okay, now you have uh, Nitro credit acquired. So you have upgrade your Discord to Nitro. And here's all the benefit that you get when you upgrade your Discord account with a Nitro. It's very simple, right? So that is how to upgrade, how to get free Nitro boost on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.